Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are starting day 5 of our Declutter Madness Challenge. So if you're looking forward to today, we're going to be decluttering our nightstands. So we're going to be taking everything off, taking everything out, and then putting back the things that belong. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to be working top to bottom on this bedside table. We're going to start with the top, take everything off, dust it off, wipe it down, and then put back the things that belong. Then we're going to move on to the drawer, clean that out. And once we're done with that, we'll clean out underneath the drawer, that little bookshelf space. Okay, so as you can see, this drawer is just packed full of magazines. I've got some lotion, sunglasses, and there's just a bunch of stuff thrown in here. So what I want to do is take everything out, sort through it, decide what needs to stay, what needs to go, and then from there, put back the things that I actually use on a daily basis. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I've got everything kind of sorted. This is my trash or recycling. This is my move to another room. And then these two boxes here are the ones that'll be going back in the drawer. So I've got some organizers that I'm gonna put some of the small stuff in, and then we'll try putting it back in the drawer. So let's go ahead and do that now. So before I start putting things back, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe out the drawer. Now we're going to go ahead and start putting everything back in. So here's what I decided to put back in the drawer. So I've got some CDs. I decided to go ahead and keep that stuff for now. I'm not sure that it'll be staying in here. But for right now it's going to stay there. I have a remote control. Then in this first tray here I have some sunglasses, a flashlight, and some bookmarks. And then over there I have some lotions and some coasters. And then let's go ahead and move on to underneath. Okay, so let's take one more look at the before. And now the after. Alright, so day 5 is done. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm so happy with the way my nightstand turned out. It's so nice to have space in there for the things I actually use. So if you're still watching this video at this point, if you could leave me an alarm clock emoji in the comments down below so that I know you're still watching. And if you're looking forward to day 6 of our Declutter Madness Challenge, that's going to be our jewelry. So you don't want to miss that video when it comes out. So be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.